I don't think he wants to wear the sunglasses right now, Daddy. You figure you're already a cool dude, eh, Minu? Oh, oh. What's going on? Get Daddy's feet. Minu. Whoa, whoa, oh. Daddy's gonna get scratched. Daddy's gonna get scratched. Get him! Oh. And now his big sister's throwing stuff at him. Oh, poor baby's getting ganged up on. Oh, good catch, Minu. Good catch. Awesome. Leave him alone. Say, stop it, Daddy, or I'm going to scratch you.
May I catch? Okay, wait.
He just winked at me.
Catch.
Oh.
Oh.
Get him, Minu, get him. Get him. Sick of Minu.
Oh.
Get him. Get him, Minu. Get him. Oof. He's too busy looking at me now. Get him. Get him. He always got it in his mouth.
What's the guy? Like the guy out of his paw.
Poor Minu. He doesn't know what to think. Oh, get him. Get him. Oh, he's got the Kleenex involved. No. No. Get him, Minu. Get him. Hey, hey. Ah, get him. Get him good. Get him good, Minu. Get him good. Get him.
I can't believe it up.
Oh, oh. Who needs a mop? All you gotta have is a cat chewing on your sweater. Wrestle with the cat and he'll polish the floor for you. Look at the floor shine. All because Minu knows how to scrub it for us. Hey, Minu. Hey, Minu. You scrubbing the floor good, aren't you? Oh, look at it shine. Look at it shine. Look how good the floor is shining. Woohoo.
Oh, you look.
All right, Minu. Woohoo. Keep going. Make my floor shine, shine, shine. Of course, you guys know by now, this has been another extremely cute cat moment with our very own personal floor polisher, Mr. Minu. Good cat. Oh, Catherine. Poor baby. Oh, no, he's running away. He's running away. Oh, no. Jamie. He's running after him. Jamie ran after him, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Ugh.
He comes downstairs.
Oops. This has been another extremely cute cat moment. I don't know how well this is turning out. My phone doesn't turn around very good. So, please subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and give us a comment below and let us know what your shirt size is. Because if you are our 500th viewer, you're entitled to win yourself a new free Shelly's Cute Cat Moments shirt. And if you're into getting free things, and if you're also into sports, I suggest trying out Jamie's Sports Talk and more. They also have a giveaway for a free shirt. All you got to do there is subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, leave a little comment with your shirt size as well, and a suggestion on what you think would be the best new logo for Jamie's Sports Talk and more. Well, I have to take off and I'm going to chase after a cat. Have yourselves a great day. Catherine, what do you say? All right. Bye-bye, everyone. Talk to you later. And remember, keep your eyes and ears open because you never know when another cute cat moment is going to show up. Bye-bye, everybody.